In this video, we are going to see the next question of SOP and POS forms. Okay. Our question is express the Boolean function f which is equals to a plus b bar c as a sum of minterms. As a sum of minterms is nothing but SOP. The last video I promised you, like I will show the trick, right? So simply our trick is place the function here, function which is a plus b bar c, apply the possibilities. Okay, when we apply all zeros, like 0, like which is like a is 0, right? 0 plus b, let us to consider this like a b c. Okay, b bar, right? 1 0, nothing but we will get 0 for the 1, like for the it is a minterm. Okay, take it as a minterms. For minterm m1, like m1 which is like 0, which is like here it is like 1 plus 1, which is like 1, means we will get the 1 as minterm. Now for the 2 it is like 0 plus 0 0, we will get the 0, we won't get the 2 as minterm. Same way 3 we won't get. For the this function for all a's, like it is like a, right? For presenting of a, we will get directly as a, we no need of considering b bar c, like it is a single term, right? So from 4 to 7 we will get it as a minterms. Now let us check with the standard way of doing the given expression. Okay, to convert into the SOP form we need a conical rule. When we apply this, like a of, here we left over with bc, right? Same way here we left over with a. So now for the bc we need to apply like this, for the a we need to apply like this. Now multiply with this thing, like when we multiply we will get ab plus ab bar, right, as it is. Now same way multiply with this, like a b bar c plus a bar b bar c. Now see multiply. Okay, do a multiplication. When we do so, first let us do with this term, with this thing, later with this. Okay, ab into c plus ab plus like ab c bar. Okay, done with this thing. Now let us do with this, like a bar b bar c plus a bar b bar c bar. Now we are done with this, write this thing here. Now while seeing this, where this thing write as it is, remove the common thing, like a bar b bar c, it is a we got it as 2 times, write in one term. Okay, like write in one time. Now remaining write as it is. Now try to write in the form of zeros and ones. Okay, now when we write so we will get like this. Now here SOP is a function of 1, so means a we will write as 1, a bar we will write as 0, right? Same way, like it is all ones, 1 1, like c is a 0, right? So we are converted in this way. Now it is nothing but all triple ones is like minterm 7, like m7 m6 m5, arrange. Okay, when we arrange so we will get like this, like m1 4 5 6 7, like minterms is represented in like summation of small m, like write the all suffix here, like 1 4 5 6 7. What we seen in the trick, we will get 1 4 5 6 7, right? Same way we will get here also. Nothing but I applied the inputs. Okay, the possibilities, the all possible inputs I applied and checked with the function, then I taken like this. It is a trick and this is a standard way. If the function is very short, go with the standard way. If the function is too long, it is taking time, is use the trick. Okay, I hope you got the idea on the SOP and POS form. So if you learned anything in this video, please do a like and support by subscribing. Thank you for watching this.